This episode is sponsored by Level 8. Today, we're continuing our Disneyland adventure by exploring the downtown Disney district to check out the restaurants, shops, and must-get snacks. So with that said, let's make our way over to downtown Disney to pick up the action. Okay, so we have made it over to downtown Disney and we're going to head to lunch at Dim Tai Fung, and we're just going to kind of walk around and enjoy a little bit of downtown Disney. Our first stop is Din Tai Fung in downtown Disney, an upscale yet welcoming spot featuring a sleek, modern atmosphere where you can watch chefs precision roll their famous 𝐿 bun and Taiwanese specialties. While this light-filled Anaheim location is a gorgeous new addition, the iconic brand has spots worldwide, including a massive contrasting moody flagship in New York City that is located entirely underground. Okay, so we are at Din Tai Fung, and we're just going to grab a bite here for heading back to the hotel, and then our room is actually ready, so we'll be able to check in to 𝐃𝐸𝐧'𝐭 place. So just going to grab a quick bite here, and then we'll be heading over there. If you're interested in checking out our Disneyland hotel review or our Pixar Place hotel review, be sure to look for those videos on the channel. Now back to the food. Din Tai Fung specialises in family-style Taiwanese cuisine, and pricing falls into the moderate to high range, typically averaging around $35 to $60 per adult. For our meal, we ordered the sweet and sour pork baby back ribs, the pan-fried shrimp and pork pot stickers, an assortment of steamed dumplings, and their incredibly fluffy steamed buns. For every single dish featured amazing quality, and the service was absolutely fabulous. While it's certainly not a cheap restaurant, it is well worth a visit and doesn't feel overly priced for the top tier experience you get right here at the resort. Beyond just great dining spots, downtown Disney offers an incredible variety of shops and restaurants designed to suit all tastes and budgets. In terms of food, you are fully covered, whether you are looking for a sit-down, multi-course meal or just a quick snack on the go. The shopping is just as diverse. You'll find plenty of Disney-themed merchandise and official Disney stores, alongside popular name brand retailers to cover everything you could possibly want. This area is also filled with live music, and the overall atmosphere completely changes as you transition from day to night. Once evening sets in, the entire district becomes beautifully lit up, creating a vibrant energy with live performances taking place most nights of the week, making it all available in one convenient and lively location. The first store we stepped into was the Disney Storyland boutique, which is a Disney-owned and operated location. This shop features an incredibly cute, curated style packed with unique apparel, plushies, and accessories centered around favorite stories like Winnie the Pooh, Aristocrats, and Big Hero 6. It is the perfect spot to find specialized character items and exclusive collections, including pieces imported directly from Disney Store Japan that you won't find anywhere else in the district. Right next door to the Storyland boutique is Disney Home. This is another Disney owned and operated store, and it is absolutely packed with everything you could possibly want to bring a little pixie dust into your living space. From kitchenware and aprons to Christmas ornaments, pillows and mugs, every single item is beautifully themed to Disney's magical stories and characters, making it the ultimate stop for adding a touch of Disney magic to your house. It simply wouldn't be a trip to downtown Disney without stepping inside the legendary World of Disney store. Much like its massive East Coast counterpart over at Walt Disney World's Disney Springs, this sprawling flagship location is the absolute epicenter of shopping for the entire resort. Completely packed to the rafters with every piece of merchandise you could ever dream of, from the latest Mickey ears and Spirit jerseys to collectible pins, toys and souvenirs. What makes this specific location so unique structurally is that the building is actually integrated right into Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa. The premium resort wraps right around this area, offering convenient, dedicated guest entrances and exits that drop you directly out into this bustling section of the downtown Disney district. Because of its massive size, World of Disney is always the premier spot to hunt for exclusive, limited edition merchandise tied to the resort's various themed events. If you look around right now, you can still catch the final waves of exclusive memorabilia for special milestones like the major 70th anniversary celebration that is just ending now, making it an absolute must visit before these limited items disappear for good. Speaking of having plenty of room for vacation souvenirs, this episode is sponsored by Level 8 Luggage. We love their travel gear, especially the new Adventure Classic carry-on in yellow and black. Available right now on Amazon, this durable polycarbonate suitcase weighs just 8.3 pounds and features a sleek 35-litre capacity that expands to 40-litre, perfect for bringing home extra merch. It features a clever narrow handle design to securely hold your backpack, a top opening lid for tight hotel rooms, and a silky front pocket, while the inside keeps you organised with compression straps and privacy pockets. Ready to upgrade your travel game? We've got massive Prime Day deals for you right now. You could use code L81820 for 20% off on their website from June 15th to the 26th. Or score around 20% off on Amazon during their Prime Day sale from June 23rd to the 26th. And hey, if you happen to miss those Prime Day dates, don't worry, you can always use our code SERIOUSLY10 at any other time to get 10% off this or any other luggage on their website. Click the Amazon or website links in the description below to save, and thanks to Level 8 for sponsoring this episode. The next shop we're going to stop into is the D-Lander shop. This store is unique because it focuses exclusively on stylish, Disney-themed clothing and apparel. While a number of the articles for sale here can definitely be found scattered across other areas of the park, this store is extremely convenient because it houses all of those top fashion pieces together in one single location. Our next stop is Tiendita, a vibrant walk-up spot right in the heart of the district. We paused here to pick up a refreshing agua fresca, which absolutely hit the spot on a warm day. While the drinks are fantastic for a quick cooling break, if you're looking for food, their authentic Mexican-style street food is absolutely a must-try for anyone wanting delicious flavors on the go. Just down the street, you'll find the Disney Wonderful World of Sweets, which truly lives up to its name. This charming shop is absolutely packed to the brim with every single sweet treat your heart could possibly desire, ranging from gourmet packaged candies and rich buttery toffees to bags of fluffy cotton candy and their legendary beautifully detailed character candy apples. Beyond the incredible selection of goodies to buy, one of the absolute loveliest parts of visiting this location is the experience from the sidewalk. They feature a massive exhibition window where you can actually pause outside and watch the talented Disney candy makers hard at work, meticulously handcrafting, dipping and decorating the very treats they sell inside right before your eyes. It adds such a nostalgic, magical touch to the whole experience that you can't help but stop and look. Right across the way is Black Tap Craft Burgers and Shakes. This spot serves up elevated, New York-style comfort food, specializing in award-winning gourmet burgers, wings, and sides that fall into the moderate to high price range. While the food inside is fantastic, what we absolutely love is their convenient walk-up Crazy Shake window outside. It is an absolute must-try. If you're looking to indulge, definitely be sure to check out their happy hour pricing for a great deal on these legendary shakes. Our next stop is Beignets Expressed, a fantastic quick service spot that brings a delicious taste of New Orleans right to the heart of downtown Disney. This popular location is famous for serving up hot, pillowy beignets dusted with a mountain of powdered sugar. Beyond the classic, traditional powdered sugar style, they also feature an incredible rotating lineup of unique glazed and flavoured creations, ranging from decadent chocolate and caramel drizzles to seasonal specialty fruit glazes that offer a fun twist on the classic treat. Just like the sweet shop down the street, one of the coolest parts about visiting this location is the interactive experience. They feature a great viewing window where you can pause and actually watch the bakers hard at work, rolling out the dough, cutting the shapes, and hand making the fresh beignets from scratch right before they fry them and serve them up warm in the store. We absolutely love taking a midday break from the heat, heading back to the hotel room with our fresh milkshakes and warm beignets in hand, and just kicking back to enjoy them in the comfort of our air-conditioned room. As the sun sets, there are a number of fantastic quick service treats that you absolutely must try around the district. The first stop on your list should be the amazing corn dog stand located on the end closest to the Disneyland Hotel. They elevate the classic theme park staple by offering an incredible variety of options, including the adventurous pickle dog, the kid dog, the classic corn dog, and the spicy sweet golden dragon. Best of all, they also feature a unique specialty corn dog that rotates each month, giving you a brand new flavour profile to experience every time you visit. Located right next to the corn dog stand and also at the opposite end of the district, closest to the park entrances, you'll find the legendary churro carts. They offer an incredible lineup of different flavoured and specialty churros that go way beyond the standard cinnamon sugar version. And I have to say, the churros out here are far superior to the ones you get over at Walt Disney World in Florida. The texture, the flavour at Disneyland Resort just completely blow them out of the water. My final top tip for a snack cart you absolutely won't want to miss is the Macaron cart. They have a huge variety of incredible flavours available, with the pistachio being a personal favourite of mine, making it the perfect stop to pick up a delicious, delicate treat while you explore the district. So, what are my final thoughts? I absolutely love downtown Disney. It holds a special kind of magic because everything, the parks, hotels, restaurants and shops are all within easy walking distance. Plus, whether you're a family on a budget or looking to splurge on a premium sit-down dinner, the quality of the food and service here is top notch. If you could only eat one snack from downtown Disney for the rest of your life, are you team corn dog, team churro or team sweet treat? Tell us your absolute must-have snack in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.